National Alerts Gun Owners of America, published in 13 January 2009. Urge your senators to vote no on Eric Holder. Barack Obama is wasting no time poking a sharp stick in the eyes of gun owners. The incoming president's choice for U.S. Attorney General Eric Holder is an anti-gun extremist who has assailed gun owners since his days in the Bill Clinton administration. Holder, who served as Deputy Attorney General from 1997 to 2001, supports a 3-day waiting period for handgun purchases, 1 gun a month rationing, licensing, and registration for all gun owners, mandatory so-called smart gun technology, a lifetime gun ban for certain juvenile offenses, and regulating gun shows out of existence. As Janet Reno's top deputy, Eric Holder was the go-to guy on gun control issues. In a 1999 statement, Holder told members of Congress not to cave in to special interests that value the cold, hard steel of guns more than the lives of children, neighbors, and police officers, and urged them to pass legislation that would have destroyed the gun show industry. Gun Owners of America members flooded the Congress with postcards and emails and stopped Holder's gun control plan. In 2000, Holder was instrumental in the Clinton administration's effort to strong-arm firearms manufacturers into voluntarily accepting regulations that had stalled in the Congress. In a brazen legislation by extortion plot, the federal government filed suit against gun makers, but offered to drop the suit if the companies would bow to the administration's demands. Again, GOA and its members took the lead in opposing Holder and the Clinton administration and slowed down implementation of the agreement until it completely went away when Clinton left office. One company went along with the deal, but after intense pressure from gun owners, no others joined the unholy alliance. After the 9/11 terrorist attacks, in an op-ed in the Washington Post, Holder pushed for more gun control and greater restrictions on gun shows, even though the terrorists were armed with box cutters that could be purchased at any hardware store. Just last year, Holder joined Janet Reno and 11 other former Justice Department officials in an amicus brief before the Supreme Court arguing in favor of the gun ban in Washington, D.C. The Holder-Reno brief also took the position that the Second Amendment protects a collective government right, not an individual right. GOA and its members have defeated Eric Holder and his agenda in the past, and we need to do it again. The Holder nomination is subject to Senate confirmation in a vote which is set to occur at any time. Gun Owners of America has asked all members of the U.S. Senate to reject this anti-Second Amendment activist. Now we're urging gun owners across the country to contact their own senators and insist that they vote no on Eric Holder. Are you a bitter clinger? Who is a bitter clinger? According to Barack Obama, who was recorded unawares at a San Francisco fundraiser, bitter clingers are voters who are bitter because of their economic frustration and so cling bitterly to their Bibles and their guns. You can proudly proclaim your membership in this class of people so looked down upon by the elites in our country. That's the end of that article. But I might add that we have, since this was written, and since I referred to the election after the inauguration of Obama, that we had Fast and Furious, we've had many gun assaults in our schools, a lot of violence there, and one always needs to ask, what was the intention, who caused it, and during which administration did that occur? Thank you.